Hey, I made a web application called Schedule Me, and I use Django to make it. And instead of explaining what it does, I'll just show you. So let's navigate to the right directory, and then I can type py manage.py run server. That will just run the server and run the website that I made. Then I go over to the browser. This is the website that it is. And this is the home view. And so let's log out first. This is what it looks like when you go to the website. I'm not signed in right now. Let's go ahead and sign in. And I'll use those sign-in details. And then it says, cool, now you have to go to the scheduler to see your schedule that you made. I'm like, okay. And I just have a couple classes on Monday. Looks like I need to practice my vocal performance skills. On Wednesday, I have piano practice. But we can also click on the weekdays to view the schedule for just those days. There you have it. And great. So what else? You can go to your profile. It'll show your username and email. There's an about page. I'm about to put some more in there. And what else is there? I think that's just about it. You log out, it'll display this login page. Now let's go to the admin website to show you how the user is supposed to input their schedule. Oh, right, it's not an admin. So to add to the schedule, you have to go to events and you click add event. Let's title this coding practice. And for the creator, I'll do Kyler Mango. And that should occur at 2 p.m. on Thursday. You can save that. Then if we go back to the regular page, and if we go to the scheduler, we're not going to see anything because I'm still logged in as admin. So let's log in as Kyler Mango. Yep. Go to the scheduler. And look, Thursday, there's coding practice. So it's not going to display some other users' information at all. Okay, so let's look at the code, I guess. So I'm not going to show you all the code because that's way too much, but maybe just a little bit. So one of the most challenging parts was getting the scheduler to display properly. So basically I have, and if the, well, let's look at the views first. Actually the models, sorry. I have this model called event, and it offers various choices for the time and day. And then it has a title field, a time field, day field, and a creator field. The time and the days are out of those choices. The creator art is just, the choices are only the users that are registered. And yeah, the title you can put anything in. So that's the model that I have. So in this view, this scheduler view essentially just takes in all of the event objects, filters them by the creator that's currently signed in, and it will order it by alphabetically by day. Unfortunately, it's not Sunday, Monday, Tuesday order. And then it orders it by the time as well. And that gets passed into the context, which is passed into the web page. I also have a list of just Sundays, just Mondays, just Tuesdays, etc. And it's only for that specific user as well. That also gets passed in the context. And since it's in the context, when we pass it into scheduler.html, that will take, for instance, events. It takes the events from, looks at this and goes to that events list. So if there is a list, if there's any day that that user has an event put in, then it'll look for Sundays. If there's any Sundays, it will display them in a table and put another entry in for each item in Sundays. It also has it so that there's a header here where the href, the link will go to event day / Sunday. So that'll lead to just the Sunday events. And I made one for each day. And that was really tricky figuring out all the little nuances of how do I get it so that when the user clicks on the day, it'll go to just the events from that day. That was something I really wanted to put in, and I'm glad I was able to put that into the code. One thing I didn't show you is registering. So let's log out and make a new user. And I'll do Melons, that's the username, email melons@gmail. Put a password in and sign up. Account created for Melons. Sure, you can save that. Log in with Melons. So that's how the register works. That's my website. I'm pretty proud of it, and yeah, that's about it.